That's the shuffleball court. Here's the putt-putt golf. Isn't that fun? Looks pretty nice. There's our clubhouse. Friday they're having a luau with pulled pork sandwiches, all for free whilst you're here, and then trivia afterwards. Woohoo! Alright, here's the laundromat. You can see they have a lot of machines. Nicely air conditioned in here. $2 to wash. $2 to dry. That's pretty cheap because we paid $3.75 at a KOA. Washers are 30 minutes, dryers are an hour. Nice folding table. Oh, look. You can take your weight. They got a weight scale here. Little sink. Bunch of flyers. Hi, everyone. This is the restroom by the laundromat, which is, you know, just a toilet. That's all she is. Still cozy, though. Look at this plant. I thought it was fake. But nope. It's real. Sure is pretty, isn't it? Yeah, it's kind of like a fuzzy, but a brilliant green. Look, look. There's a lizard. Hi, Mr. Lizard. Oh, he took off. Look at that plant. Just beautiful purple flowers on it. They look like little clusters. Cool. I love the color. We stopped at this antique mall. So many cool things. Alright, look at us. We're at the Russell Stover.
Hi there, welcome.
Oh boy, look at that. They got lots of chocolate. Fudge. Whoa, Kurt, look at all of that. I know, right? Oh, look at the little gift boxes. Oh, you shouldn't have. Oh, wow, look at in here. Holy smolies. This is my chocolate Graceland right here. Look at all that. Antique store. There is a lot. All right, everyone. We are in Brownswood. This is the square that has live music 365 days out of the year. Surrounded by all of these stores and restaurants. And they have the best happy hours just before it starts. And Kurt and I are going to check it out. Alright, this is where all the live music and dancing happens. Go, Kurt! Shake a leg there, mister. Never mind that crazy man. Anyway, they have these really cool bleachers that are kind of shaded. They have happy hour in the town from 3 till 7, and the band starts at 5 o'clock every single night. Tonight's Latin night.